Everybody wants a beautiful life that they want to manifest, but it doesn't happen, does it? Something stops us from manifesting exactly what we dream for, exactly what we want. And today in this video, we're going to talk about exactly that. My name is Modma Kanshul, and today we're going to talk about what is stopping you and the whole world from manifesting exactly that desired life that they want. Now, before we get into the details of what is stopping us, we need to understand how this universe works. We work on a frequency. Everything in this world is nothing but frequency. It's a sound that we're working on. Now, imagine this thing. You're listening to 91.1 radio FM and you want to actually, so you've tuned into 91.1 and you really want to listen to a 98.3 radio FM and you want to listen to those songs, but you're tuned into something else. क्या आपको वो गाने इस frequency पे सुनने मिलेंगे? That is the question. And the answer is simple. No, you will not get it. Because you are not on the right frequency. Your tuning is only wrong. Similarly, when you tune into wrong frequencies in your life, in your vibration of your body, you are going to receive what you are tuned into, not what you desire. This is very important to understand. Our world, our universe, we work on these rules. Another thing that people don't understand or ignore very simply is that when you manifest something, all the Pancha Mahabhuts have to be taken in consideration, because with all those Pancha Mahabhuts only the world is, the universe is created. That's earth, fire, water, wind and ether. In space, that's what ether means, it's space, the whole being that we are in. हम इन पांचों चीज़ों को नज़रअंदाज कर देते हैं and we're just repeating mindlessly something that you really want. फिर वो affirmations हो जाए या chanting हो जाए and we're mindlessly repeating. Yes, उससे difference आता ज़रूर है, ऐसा नहीं कि नहीं आता है, it does come, but it does not give you the life that you really want, because it is not aligned only. When all these elements will come together, your body is also made of that, right? Your bone is there, your blood is there, your flesh is there, the wind that that you're breathing in and breathing out, and then there is ether, that space that's inside you, your atman is there. जब आप उस चीज से बने हो तो आप उस चीज को नजरअंदाज कैसे कर सकते हो? That is a very, very important thing that you need to consider and remember when you're manifesting anything. Now let's look at what really happens in manifesting. Manifestations जब आप करते हो, affirmations are very, very commonly done thing that I've seen people doing affirmations and they're not working out. Another reason is जब आप किसी चीज को पूरा intention नहीं देते, you're just doing it mindlessly. एक तो आपको आधा चीज चाहिए भी होता है, नहीं भी चाहिए होता है, इसके वजह से भी that diversion happens of what you want. Let's say for example, आपके घर में कोई काम करने के लिए there is a maid or somebody who comes to sweep the floor. Now if she is coming to sweep the floor, or he or whoever the person is coming to sweep the floor, and suddenly you're interrupting that individual, telling them, Arey, do the other thing also, please pick up the vessels also, please clear up my clothes also, just switch on the washing machine also. उसका जो main काम है ना, to actually sweep the floor, वो चीज रह जाता है, बाकी सारी चीजों पे आधा आधा ध्यान बट जाता है, और जब ध्यान बढ़ जाता है तब काम अधूरा रह जाता है. Similarly, when you are manifesting, you think one thing and then suddenly you want something else and suddenly you want something else. इससे ध्यान बट जाता है. So your focus, where it kind of diverts in multiple different areas, you will not manifest what you really desire. अच्छा, आपने पूरा ध्यान भी कर लिया उस चीज पे, तो भी what is stopping you from manifesting your desired life, your desired outcome or your desired dream life? First thing is overthinking. When you overthink something, कि बार बार ये होगा कि नहीं होगा, will it happen, will it not happen, इसमें होता ये है that you are actually giving that particular thought or that particular intention so much of worry energy, at the same time you are giving it positive energy, it will not work. जब आप किसी चीज को ओवरडू कर जाते हो, it give you a thing the right amount of energy and step aside. Don't repeatedly think about it. When you overthink about it, it loses its essence. So एक ये चीज है, जब आप कंटिन्यूसली मैंने किया है पर कब होगा, मैंने अभी कर दिया है पर कब होगा, when will it happen, etc. Second is when there is attachment to the result or to the outcome. मैंने कर दिया है, when will it happen, when will, when you see a kettle that is kept on a gas or a stove, you're continuously standing on that thing और वो boil नहीं होता जल्दी, क्योंकि you are over attached. कृष्ण भी कहते हैं ना, कर्म करो, उसका फल आपकी प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. You do your do, you give your energy to what you really want, including with gratitude, including considering the Pancha Mahabhuts, considering all the universe, the divine energy, and leave it. Don't go back to it. Don't overthink about it. Don't get attached to that particular outcome कि मुझे ये चाहिए था, अब तक हुआ नहीं है. When will it happen? Your obsession to the outcome creates absolute resistance to it. The reason being, जब आप एक्सेसिवली अटैच्ड हो जाते हो तो आपको डर होना शुरू हो जाता है, इनसिक्योरिटी हो जाती है. नहीं हुआ तो आई एम ट्राइंग सो मच, व्हाट इफ इट डजंट हैपन, व्हाट इफ आई फेल. द मिनट दीज थिंग्स स्टार्ट कम इन प्ले, व्हाट इफ आई फेल, व्हाट इफ दिस एंड व्हाट इफ दैट, insecurity kicks in. Insecurity brings fear. Fear brings negative energy. Negativity will drop your vibration down. Suddenly you are not vibrating on exactly what you want. However, originally you wanted that, but what you are doing is you're working against it, not for it. So attachment उस चीज से, attachment to the outcome you have to reduce when you want your desired outcome through manifestation. Third is inner conflicts. I think this is very, very popular. You want also and you don't want also. मैंने ये कर दिया तो फिर क्या होगा? What if I really get this? Sometimes spiritually oriented people have inner conflicts. When they want to grow as an individual, at the same time they are very spoiled spiritually and they feel कि क्या ज़रूरत है? What is the point of doing this? So this creates a conflict in your manifestation. When you want something, you have to want it with your full intensity. When you have internal conflicts that maybe I'm not deserving, maybe I'm not worth it, मुझे क्यों मिलेगा, मुझे तो मिलना ही नहीं चाहिए, but मुझे चाहिए, मिलना भी नहीं चाहिए, चाहिए भी है, I am not deserving but I want it, I am not enough but I deserve it. These are conflicting emotions to have while manifesting. So this is another block in manifestation. उसके बाद आता है ignoring energy. When you are vibrating on a particular energy, you have to make sure that everything around you is working on the same energy. जैसे मैं कह रही थी नाद ब्रह्मा या फिर sound or the energy of the universe, you cannot just completely ignore. It is listening to you. And whatever comes out of your mouth is also being heard by the universe. So ऐसा नहीं कि मैंने manifestation या chanting करने के वक्त मैंने कर लिया and then later I forgot and everything else comes out of my mouth. But while I'm chanting, I'm chanting. And when I'm affirming, I'm affirming. बाकी पूरा दिन चलने दो. No, that doesn't work. Your energy is cumulative throughout the day. It has to work together. So you cannot ignore your energy in and around you. Then another thing is that your energy is very scattered. I was telling you this before. When your energy is in multiple places, remember that example that I gave you of the maid and the sweeping? That is very important. When your energy is scattered to multiple places, your manifestation will not happen. Another important thing, if you're not spiritually aligned, if your Pancha Mahabhut, if your internal higher self is not aligned to what you need, what you want, what you desire, then your manifestations will not happen. Now, स्पिरिचुअल अलाइनमेंट किसको कहते हैं? What I really want and how I really vibe, how I really feel, what my emotional status is, what am I vibrating on, and how is my entire energy of my being. That will be a totality of my spiritual alignment. अब वो चीज़ मुझे जो चाहिए है, of course if you want a positive thing and most of us want positive things, उसका frequency alignment होना चाहिए. जब वो align होगा साथ में, then you will receive what you really desire. I always tell a lot of my clients and people who come to me for affirmations and manifestations कि before you start your affirmations, before you start your chanting, before you start your manifestation, start cleansing your body, start cleansing your mind, start cleansing your energy system. If you don't cleanse your energy system, the right energy will not flow through you, and that flowing of that energy is extremely important.